In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Epic Games gift code quickly and easily. If you've got a code for a game, add-on, or wallet credit, and you're not sure where to enter it, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can claim it without any confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account before you continue, because once the code is redeemed, it will be tied to that account. If you need to switch accounts, do that first so you don't redeem the code on the wrong profile. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile name. This opens the account menu, where you'll find a few different options related to your Epic Games account. From this menu, select Redeem Code. That is the option you need in order to enter a gift card, promo code, or other redemption code. After you click Redeem Code, a box will appear where you can type or paste in your code. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears, making sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Codes are usually case-sensitive, so it's always a good idea to double-check before you submit it. If you copy the code from an email or message, paste it in and then review it one more time to make sure it looks correct. When you're ready, click Redeem. Epic Games will then verify the code and process it on your account. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message, and the item or credit will be added to your library or account right away. In some cases, the reward may appear instantly, while other times you may need to refresh your library or restart the launcher before you see it. If the code doesn't work, check a few common issues. Make sure the code hasn't already been used, confirm that it was entered correctly, and verify that it's meant for Epic Games. Some codes are region-specific, or may only work for certain products, so if you still have trouble, review the code details or contact the seller or Epic Games support for help. And that's it! You now know how to redeem an Epic Games gift code in just a few clicks. It only takes a minute once you know where the option is, and now you can claim your game or reward with confidence. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.